I'm going to add some new public service announcements and get them into rotation here. And for this demonstration, I'll be using Playout 1 as my automation system. And in Playout 1, we go to Media Finder and click on the Mass Importer. Click Add Folders. And I've got these public service announcements on my desktop. So I just click OK. Now, here are some other audio files on the desktop. These are everything that's in the desktop folder, essentially. And I'm going to select what I don't need. There's those three things there, and tell it to remove. And now when I tell Playout 1 to import, it's just going to import these three, which is what I want. So I always use Auto UID. Got to do that. And I have to select a type, and my type is non-music. You might select a type just named production. Same thing as non-music. It's just a name. And do the import. Now, Playout 1 is bringing it in. 1, 2, 3. That happens pretty quick. Import complete. And let's close this. And there are those three things right there. Now, I want to do one other thing to each of these. I want to tell them that they can be used over the intros of songs. So I select them, click the little tool there, and the thing that I'm going to change for Playout 1 is to tell it that this audio can oversweep the intro of songs. So click Yes, and click OK, and we're done with that. Let's go to Music 1 now, open my database. And those new tracks will have come into the New Tracks category or folder down here. There they are, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put these into rotation in a category I have here called Station IDs. And I've got a whole bunch of things in Station IDs. Select these three, drag them into Station IDs. Now, when you drag something into a category in Music 1, it's going to be added to the very bottom of the category. I want to do a few things to these, but I do not want to leave them at the bottom of the category. What I want to do is open these cards and put an end date on them, because this is a public service announcement for something that ends on January the 16th. And so I'm going to have the registration date for this thing is January 16th, and I want to stop these promos from running on the 15th. So I'll put the 15th in each of these. Now, with my proper end date there, I want to move these things throughout the category, so I don't have suddenly 3 city commission announcements in a row. So select one, hold down the control key, use the up arrow on the control board or on the keyboard, and move that one up to, let's say, rank position number 7. Jump down to the bottom, grab another one, hold control and do the up arrow and shoot this guy up somewhere to the middle of the category probably. It's not really important. I just don't want them to be scheduling anywhere close to each other myself. And there's the last one right down there. So I'm going to move that up just a little bit here. And that's how you do it.